Recorded a cool video but captured someone's car? Then you should blur the license plate in the video to use the footage with no problem. We'll show you how to censor car license plates using Clipify, a beginner-friendly video editor. Create a new project and select Blank Project. Click Add Videos and Photos and select a video file. Hit Censor Sensitive Areas and then add Censored Area. Move the selection and drag the handles to change the size. Clipify offers 3 censoring modes: Pixelate, Blur, and Solid Color. Let's use the Pixelate mode and adjust the block size. If the car in your video is moving, add keyframes to track the motion. Adjust the keyframe on the timeline and change the position of the censored area. Now, preview the video. If you like the result, click Apply and hit Create Video to save the edited clip in a preferred format. And that's it. Now you know how to blur a license plate in a video. Download Clipify and censor parts of your videos with ease.